Alright, so this is physics 101 tutorial sheet 1, question 1. So question 1 has got two parts, A and B. So we start with A. Suppose the displacement of an object is related to time according to the expression x. So this is the expression x is equal to b t squared. What are the dimensions of b? So they want us to find the dimensions of b. Okay, so then we go to b. A displacement is related to x is equal to a sine 2 pi ft, where a is a constant, t is the time, and f is the frequency. Find the dimensions of a. So they want us to find the dimensions of a. Then they've given us a hint. What is the hint? A trigonometric function appearing in the equation is dimensionless. Okay, so the trigonometric function appearing in the equation is the sine. So sine is dimensionless. Right, so these are the questions we are supposed to answer. Let's go to the solutions now. We solve them. So this is the equation. X is equal to bt squared. So we have now to, at least we give examples of dimension and the symbol. So length, the dimension is L squared. Then mass, the dimension is capital letter M. Then time, the dimension is capital letter T. So these are some of the examples of dimensions and their symbols. So what is the dimension for x? X is the displacement. So the dimension for displacement is L. Then what is the dimension for B? B is now the one we want to find. So we've put a question mark. Then what is the dimension for t squared? T squared, it's just time squared. So the dimension for time is t. So meaning t squared, it will be capital letter T. The dimension for small letter t squared is equal to capital letter T squared. So we continue. So our equation x bt squared so we replace where there's x, we replace with L. Then where there's t squared, we replace with this t. So it will give us t squared. Oh, alright, so so when we replace here where there's t squared, a small letter t squared, we replace with capital letter T squared. Then where there's x, we replace with L. Then we divide both sides by t squared. Then we'll come up with this this equation. So from here we can tell that the dimensions for B is what we've found here. So question 1 we are done. Question 1A we are done. So we now go to question B. So x is equal to a sine 2 pi ft. So what are the dimensions for x? We've said, so this is the equation. Then the dimensions for x are these. Then dimensions for a we don't know, we put a question mark. Then sign in the question. Let's go back to the question. They've said a trigonometric function is dimensionless, so sign is dimensionless. Then 2 pi constants are dimensionless, so pi is also a constant. Then what is f? F represents frequency, so frequency we know it's 1 over time, and the dimension of time is t. So this is the dimensions of frequency. Then t, the dimension for t is this one, right? So substituting now, where there's in the equation where there's x, we substitute with L. Then where there's A is the one we are trying to find. Then where there's frequency, we substitute with the 1 over t. Then where there's time, we substitute with t. So you find that t and t, they'll cancel or they'll simplify. Then we'll just remain with A is equal to L. So in dimension analysis, you have to make sure that you put these brackets. Let's say this is dimension, so you have to put the brackets. I forgot to mention it in question 1A. So at this point we are done answering the question. So this is the dimension for A. So we are done answering the question. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.